Hello, hello. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build this desk with some 1x4 pine and this pocket hole jig that I just picked up from Home Depot. So the first thing I did was I set up my stop on my miter saw table, cut all my pieces down, and now I got the width, the legs, and the cross pieces. Now typically I would go 80 grit, 120 grit, and then 220 grit, but seeing as this is just a cheap pine desk with exterior paint on it, I just used 80 and 120. Now if it was stain grade, or even if I was using better paint, I would probably still go to 220, but there you go. 120 is good enough for me today. So this is the Kreg pocket hole jig. It's set up for 1/2 inch, 3/4, or 1.5 inch thick pieces. You just set your stops up underneath, clamp it to your piece. It comes with this bit here, same thing, 1/2 inch, 3/4, or 1.5. Set your stop. And when you drill into your piece here, just remember that the end of your bit will not be coming out of the end of your workpiece. Now for assembly, it really couldn't be any easier. You just make sure to clamp your pieces together, drive some pocket hole screws. There's actually specific screws that come with these. There's sizes on the box for your different thicknesses of wood. Make sure everything's nice and square. It's a little bit tricky with something this big and this flimsy, but luckily I'm pretty tall, so I could get everything put together here on the bench. I made these corner blocks and this other block in the middle of the back rail so I can mount the countertop. And I just got the cheap Tremclad black outdoor paint because it was the cheapest pre-mixed stuff I could find. But you know what? It actually looks pretty close to the countertop. And you know, it's a cheap project. It took me about 3 hours, so hope you guys enjoy. Tune in for the next video. Thanks.